Apparently, since the KCSE was out, most students have been on my inbox here asking me like, Madam, like, what can I do? This is my grade. Naeza fanya nini? Nilianguka ama something like that. Mi kile naeza waambia kama tuseme mwalimu wenu is every result is a good result. Iwe ni A, iwe A minor, iwe B plus, hata iwe D plus. There is a space for everyone. So what I would tell every student mwenye alifanya na maybe hakupita is it's this way. Like unless you want to go back to school, me I would just tell you for now, relax. If you have parents or guardians, sit with them, go through your results pole pole. Don't get external advices. Like just go through your result like one by one. Remind yourself, what do you want to be? Look at their capabilities. Most people like I noticed watu wa B plain, B plus, mtu anakwambia madam, naweza tu kuwa mwalimu. No, teaching is not the only career. Mwingine anasema no, I'm sad I didn't achieve in biology. Hapana, like there are very many courses. Just sit back, evaluate yourself on first, do a soul searching on what you've always wanted to be. If your parents can fund it, sawa. Kama hawezi, wait for the portal ya KUCCPS ifunguliwe, mketi chini, uamue which course will you take. While you are taking the course, don't just select the course because unataka a particular university. Usiselect university, ningekwambia sana, sit back, angalia course unataka kuanza. Kama hauqualify, you know, most of us have this mentality of I want to go to Nairobi University, I want to go to Kenyatta. But what I would advise you there is always look at the course you are going to take, the direction it will take you. Kama medicine una qualify university yenye iko somewhere there, bora umefikisha points, chukua. Kama maybe teaching una qualify somewhere, take it. Usisema ati siendi university juu iko too local. No, always look at your future. You could go to a campus, enjoy 4 years of being told the university of and after the 4 years hauna kazi, unahangaika. In this society I've learned something. The most important thing is not our education. It's also the ability to use our education to get something for ourselves, the ability to be able to contribute to the society na ile kitu umesomea. So itakusaidia hata after umechukua maybe kitu kama forestry Nairobi University. Be sure uko na mahali utaingia after that. Usichukue tu juu ya jina. Hata afadhali uangalie maybe at TVET College. The government has done a lot kwa kuinvest on TVETs. Wale wa D plus, D minus. Unajua siku hizi tunaweza omba help sisi wote, watu wa TVET pia wanaweza omba, watu wa government institution. So I would really acha tu ni address for once. I'm always quiet about it. Naona wameni inbox wengi, but it's good to be honest. Don't be scared. Sahi, just read, sit, relax, reflect back. Unless kama unataka kurudia. But kama hautaki, just sit, reflect, amua for the best course that you think. Alafu ukiamuanga kitu, keti chini ukifigure out what after. Nikifanya hii course, naeza ongeza certification zingine hapo katikati. Ama nikimaliza, where am I going? Yeah, if you answer yourself on nikimaliza hii course, where will I be going? Then you can as well take the course na uchague ile campus umechukua. Otherwise, every result is a result. You could be feeling down like kuna kwanga na hii aibu kwa wale wenye tumetoka villages. Oh, so and so alianguka, so and so alipita sana. Never be bothered by the performance of anybody. Like in this world, with my small experiences, I could not have experienced the world, but with my little, ningekwambia always do you. Always believe in yourself. Hata waseme umeanguka, watasema tu leo kesho. Unaona ikifika March, watakuwa wamesahau ulipata nini. Sasa wewe focus, angalia kitu unaweza fanya with yourself, ngoja, evaluate the course. Usiende na hasira na usiende na team like naenda juu nani ameenda hii course. No, just sit back na angalia what you are taking. Yeah, hiyo ndio ningekuwa advice. I wouldn't tell you, oh, go for medicine, go for engineering. No, sit back first, evaluate what you want to be, and everything will be alright. Shida za binadamu huwe tunataka up there, but you know what, God normally knows kwa nini amekupatia ile kozi yenye umepata.